Hey guys, I hope you're having a good day. I just wanted to quickly share with you this sunburned jade, and you can tell it's been sunburned because the leaves are like super duper red and even on top. So obviously this is like the variety which the leaves get a little red, but it was left out in the sun for a long time without getting watered, and even the stem is suffering a little bit. So I'm going to take it out of this pot and chop this thing, and we'll start a new plant. So this one came out easy, not too many roots. Was a bit of a neglected plant, but no big deal. Jades are super resilient. I mean, this is like why they're my favorite plants. This one is a little better. These roots are a little better. Awesome. So I'm just gonna get rid of this dirt. So I washed the pot and now I'm cutting my little square for the bottom. So this is just a piece of plastic screen that I got from maybe Michael's. And I like to put these, oh man, this one's a little bit too big. I like to put these at the bottom of my pot so my dirt doesn't escape as much. There we go. So now I'm just gonna put some flower rocks at the bottom. Some potting mix, and I think that's a pretty good depth to stick it in already, but I think I'm gonna cut this first. So I'm gonna chop this little baby off, even though I don't want to. It's so cute, but it's growing down at the bottom and we don't need it there. Okay, so I've decided to just cut it right there, because this will, whoops, maybe I cut it a little bit too high here, whatever. This is going to encourage another branch to grow, which is actually already happening. Let me see if I can, here we go. Another branch is already forming there. So this is going to like die back and fall off, as well as these leaves, but I'm just going to leave them there for now. There is some little babies growing here, and I think some people would take them off, but I think I'm just going to leave them on, because in time they'll just grow through the dirt and I'll be able to break them off and make another plant. This is my favorite thing to do, propagate plants. So here we go. I'm just going to add some more mix to this. Be able to make this guy stand up, or if he's going to need a little support, maybe I will stick a stick in here to hold this guy up, because he's a little bit lopsided, but in time when the roots grow, he's going to be able to stand up on his own. So I'm really excited. Love this little pot. It's super cute. I have one that kind of matches it. It's the same speckled ceramic, and it has a different print on it, which I think is adorable. I found it at a garage sale, and this one matches, so I'm like totally stoked about it. But yeah guys, so there's going to be a new branch growing out of here, and I'm going to keep this one just on the windowsill in my breezeway. So I'll give you an update in maybe a few weeks when a new branch shows up. I found a little stick to support him, so I'm just gonna put it right here and hook it on the leaf, and voila. So we have trimmed jade, and I'm gonna keep it out of direct sunlight and give it a nice drink, and hopefully we'll be seeing some new activity here. And actually there is already some new activity going on, which is why I chose to cut it right there. Let me see if I can bring it to focus. There it is, a new tiny stem is growing from there, so that's very exciting. I'm going to pot this one up too. It's got beautiful roots, and with this one I have to remove the bottom 3 leaves, and I'm going to just let it callus over for a few days and then just stick it in the dirt to make a new plant. So that's my little video for today on a sunburned jade. It turns really red and sometimes even gets scars on the leaves. This one didn't get much scarring, a tiny bit of burn right there. So I saved this guy in time. But yeah, I just want to say keep an eye on your jades because it's really sad when their leaves burn, but they are very resilient plants, so they will bounce back no problem. So thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you next time. Ciao, ciao!